Hey guys, happy New Year.
New Year.
Happy 2019.
Yes.
From YaadMentz, you guys haven't seen us
for
since
a while.
the New Year.
Yeah.
But
I know you missed us.
Yeah.
We know you missed us.
We know.
Yeah.
So we're back for another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Yes, this is the first episode for 2019.
Yes.
We had to make you guys wait because it's a little suspense, make you wonder what we're going. But we're back and we want to try more stuff out there. As you can see, I have a new haircut. 2019.
Yes, you guys comment down below what you think of the new haircut,
the new look. Yes.
Let us know.
No more locks. 2019 is a different vibe. Alright, so today we're trying this. It's called Sushi, right? Right, so it's a sushi we saw in Pricesmart, and it's by Rainforest, right?
Wow.
It's by Rainforest, right? I saw it and I was like, I've never tried sushi before, so this is my first time trying sushi. This is actually tuna sushi. They have salmon, they have veggie sushi, and they have shrimp sushi as well. But I say I want to try the tuna because I'm familiar with tuna and salmon, and I think I'm familiar with everything that they have. But I said let me try the tuna as a first test. A first test. What about you? Have you had like sushi before?
I think I've had sushi one time before. I didn't really like it. I don't know what it was, but it was like probably more than 10 years ago that I had it. I don't really remember. I know I bite piece and I was like, nope, not for me. So let's see if I will like this kind today. It's a California, I think it's California roll.
California roll. Tuna, right?
Yeah.
And it comes with a nice, cute bamboo chopstick. The cost is $1,862 and some cents.
Wow, but you get a good amount in there. I would say you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You get 20 in there.
You get your sauce as well.
Yeah.
I think this is the sauce.
And we can't use chopsticks, so if we look full, don't do too scandalous, don't do too pre-way.
Never try with the chopstick today. Alright, so let me get the sauce. Right here, cute little sauce.
What kind of sauce is it?
It's soy sauce.
Oh.
You don't know?
I don't know. I can taste it with and without.
Right.
Yeah.
Pour some right. Look at this. Let's pour a little soy sauce right there.
Yeah.
Leave that right here.
Ooh.
It's running.
Wow.
Alright. I'm going to try this one right here.
So all of them is tuna, or some is salmon and some is tuna?
Everything is tuna, but it's just different. I think one is tuna laid over it and one is tuna mashed inside of it. But we're going to find out today. I have some steam. I think this is steamed veg and wasabi. I think it's wasabi. Wasabi is like a hot pepper type of thing.
Okay, well, let's see. Never tried that before. Let's see.
Alright.
I think you have to just eat it in one bite. You can't like bite piece.
I'm going to dip look sauce. It's rice and all of them good stuff. I'm going to mix up.
That was the first flavor because it comes with 2 flavors. How do I do this?
It's not bad. Since I left it.
Can you just do it?
Let me do it for you. Okay.
And dip it in liquid sauce.
Inside sauce. Okay. Alright.
Dip it good too.
Not make it chip.
Why you not use chopstick?
I've used chopstick before. It's not bad, like seriously. It's my first time and it's not bad. What do you think? That question make up her face and look like she feel it at all. No? Not feeling it?
It tastes, the fishy taste is very strong. Like very strong. It tastes very like sea, Elsha Beach.
No, I don't get that fishy taste.
It really tastes fishy to me.
It have a nice...
And the soya sauce is really salty.
It have a nice taste. For me, it tastes... It's my first time. It tastes more like crab meat. Right.
It tastes like the sea.
Like lobster crab meat. But alright, let's try this one. With the tuna, you can...
What is that? Is it raw?
You can actually see the tuna over it and what's not. It's kind of mashing up. Oops. This one have a little bit. Can
I taste it before you tell it? Okay.
Have some spicy sauce on it. It's actually not bad. It's my first time. To me, it's not bad. I thought it would have tasted like raw and bad, but this is definitely not bad. And again, it have a little nice little spicy kick to it.
Can I taste it? I haven't
Yeah.
tasted it yet.
Definitely time.
I'm so afraid.
Let's do this. It's not bad. It's spicy. Have a nice spicy kick to it. It's good.
I know the spice, man.
It's what?
Something my taste will just taste different.
Yeah.
I think I prefer this one.
This one over that one.
Yeah. The second one we tried, I prefer. But I don't know how I feel about it still.
It's not bad. It's my first time trying sushi, and I think this is something that is good. It's something that you can buy if you have never tried sushi before.
Try
Head over to Pricesmart and try this package that they have. It's a nice little package deal, and you get your chopstick with it. A nice little meal. You can try it with your friend or your, like a nice little lunch thing.
Or if you like sushi,
right,
you can get it here. I'm sure you'd appreciate what they have here.
Right, it's convenient. Right to the supermarket, just pick it up and go. You don't have to go to a restaurant and sit and have a a gourmet type of thing. So this is something on the go, nice sushi. If you like sushi, definitely try out this sushi by Rainforest at Pricesmart.
Yeah. So would you give it a YaadMentz thumb up or thumbs down?
For my first time, I'm definitely going to give it a YaadMentz thumbs up. Yes.
I'd give it like a halfway thumb just because that first one, it tastes too fishy to me. I don't know. It just tastes very fishy, like the sea, under the sea.
I don't know. I don't really taste that sea vibe or whatever. I just taste like it have a crabby, shrimpy taste to it, especially this one. But this one now,
the first one that we tried.
The first one. But this one now, the one with the tuna wraps over the top. This one is nice. It has like sesame seed.
That one wasn't bad.
And all of that. And you have we never tried the wasabi, but that's for another time.
Yeah. Mash it up.
But yeah, guys, this is our first episode for 2019. We hope you enjoyed our sushi, YaadMentz Tries sushi.
Yes. And please remember to subscribe to our channel for more content.
Yes.
Keep leaving the suggestions down below as to what we are to do next.
Right.
And remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz.
Like us on Facebook.
And share. Comment.
Yeah. Like.
Share.
Yeah. Tell everybody about it. Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is 2019. If you want to see us grow, make sure you're sharing it with your friends.
Right.
And you will see a lot more from us. A lot more fun stuff in 2019. Look at him just eating, continuing to eat while I'm talking. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. I have to try one more before the video ends.
Right.
Like for real.
I don't like that one though.
Yeah.
I can just use my hand and take it up.
Of course. I'm just use the chopstick to make it look good.
You think you're nice, just true. But can't use it and you can't use it.
I didn't know you couldn't use chopsticks, but whatever. YaadMentz Tries. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.